Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about the KLM Baggage Allowance. So let's get started. So first of all, when it comes to the carry-on allowance, KLM allows one carry-on and one personal item, such as the handbag or the laptop, for the economy class passengers. And when it comes to the size and the weight, the carry-on must not exceed 55 by 35 by 25 centimeters, which is 21.5 by 13.5 by 10 inches. And weight limits is 12 kilogram for economy, 18 kilogram for business class. And when it comes to the checked baggage, economy passengers gets one checked bag up to 23 kilogram, while business class passengers get two bags up to 32 kilogram each. And when it comes to the extra baggage fees, additional overweight or oversized baggage will incur extra fees which vary by route. And also in the sporting equipment, special arrangement can be made for sporting equipment, so some items may be part of the standard allowance while others requires extra fees. And a part of the restriction items, prohibited items like explosive, flammable or liquid and sharp objects for both carry-on and checked-in baggage. And when it comes to the baggage delays, KLM will work to locate and deliver delayed baggage, and compensation is available for long delays. And in the lost or damaged baggage, KLM has procedures for handling lost or damaged luggage, and passengers should report issues upon arrival. And there is such a loyalty program for the Flying Blue, so members may receive extra baggage allowance or discount on baggage fees based on their tier or the flight routes. And there is the pre-purchase discount, so passengers can save on baggage fees by adding extra bags online up to 24 hours before departure. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.